How to make unwanted objects disappear from your photos. Objects, marks, friends or ex or anything else. Disappear. Welcome to HitPaw channel. In this video, I am gonna give you a step-by-step tutorial to easily and effectively remove objects from any photos. Let's get started. First of all, open any browsers and type in HitPaw. Then go to the hitpaw.com website. Find online tools, and click the object remover tool. Now you may import your own photos here. Let me show you how it works. This is a photo I find online, and I want to remove this pattern on the clothes. On the right side you can change the brush size. So all I need to do is use the brush to paint over the pattern like this. Then click remove. It's removed. Just that easy. Original, after. Original, after. You might notice here is a watermark. Free users can download with medium quality and a watermark. Pro users can download high quality image without watermark. It's not free, but the effect is pretty cool. You don't even need to download any softwares. Just open a browser and you can easily do that. You can also use it to remove unwanted person in your photo. Just paint the person you don't want to appear, and click remove. The AI will automatically analyze the image and fill the content for you. Actually, with simple clicks and it will be done. For people who are interested to try, the link will be in the description. By the way, if you prefer editing on offline desktop softwares, the object remover also has a desktop version. It has all the functions the online version does, and even more powerful with more remove mode to choose. It also supports removing unwanted objects such as logos and watermark from videos. Alright, this is how you can remove objects from any photos easily. Hope this video helps. You may watch my other videos to get more useful media tools. Your support is the greatest power that helps us move forward. Thanks for watching.